30 miles an hour around there. We're doing pretty good.
Dang. We're down here already? So we went from LA, we passed Ensenada.
Yeah, we're already in Mexico.
Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday.
Yeah, actually, it's Wednesday.
It's 6 in the morning. We just moved the time forward. Now we're gonna see where's the sunrise. It's Nobody's here. Yes, we don't sleep. Wow. What are we doing at 5 in the morning? We're like early birds who never sleep. And night shift. Oh, this color. Nice. Smells like chlorine.
Yeah, remember I told you?
Yeah.
The video says it smells like chlorine in here.
Who's that? I hope there's no ghost. Ooh, Solarium Bistro. Whoa! That's so cool! Wow! Let's fit started. Ooh, I want to go on this one when it opens. Heave-ho. Thieves and beggars, never shall we die. Heave-ho. Thieves and beggars, never shall we die.
Yes, there's no kids.
Aww.
It's like adults only.
Okay.
I'm gonna do a couple laps.
Me too.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna run. Who don't sleep? Who sleep? Royal Caribbean.
Let's go down there.
Okay. It's nice.
Go down.
It's 6, almost 30. We're waiting for the sun to come up in the middle of the ocean of the Pacific. We're in Mexico already. This is the ocean at night.
Your camera's on, so it's gonna be bad.
This is the ocean at night.
Just black. Nothing to see.
Thieves and beggars, never shall we die. Say Pirates of the Caribbean. Thieves and beggars, never shall we die. Yeah. Wow.
Touch the butt.
Whoa.
Touch the butt.
Whoa.
I see you right there, walking.
It's me.
I see you walking.
It's me. Hippopotamus.
Where's the hippo in there?
Right there.
No, in the.
In real life, no. It's not there. It's not there.
The hippo in there.
People are so healthy. They're running and walking. And what are we doing?
Walking?
Nothing, just standing here. Decaf coffee. No.
I got you.
Oh. That's trippy. Whoa, how many floors is this? I'm scared. Whoa, look at that. Ah!
I'm so tired. What the? They're always watching, huh?
Hard. Oh, same eye.
Are all of us working?
Not working. Say Harry Potter.
They walk out.
And someone fell, remember? The fruits. And you get this. Bread. Yogurt. Ooh, so yummy. Big. Ooh, hash browns.
They can just break it on me.
Walked right in at 7.
good breakfast, huh?
It is.
See the humpback whale?
Humpback whale. The sun is over there somewhere in a cloud. I think it's just a sun ray.
Huh?
It's just a sun ray.
Yeah, I know that. Let's go now.
Rice in Mexico, in Cabo de San Lucas. Bottom of the sea. So I've been waiting for an hour for the sunrise. Come on, sun. Wow. รอพระอาทิตย์ขึ้นค่ะ รอมาเป็นชั่วโมงแล้วนะคะ ตั้งแต่ฟ้ามืดนะคะ ขึ้นมา6:55 นะคะ Sunrise in the morning. Take down and take down. Eh, eh. Down. Take down. It looks like the ministry magic. So cool.
I wonder how outside's looking right now.
Oh my god! Dolphins! Wow! Whoa! Dolphins! It's so good. It's so good. Fuerte. So strong. Oh my god. It's splashing into my eyes. Infinity A new friend. Hola, amiga.
Oh, I love that feeling. Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
I'll bring it up.
That was okay. Perfect.
No way.
Now we're saying hot. Classical salad. Thai salad. Ooh. It's dark now.
It's fancy.
So fancy.